Kahit nga nasa US si Liza Soberano ay napa-react ito sa nasabi nga pong panawagan ni Mayor Vico Soto matapos sugurin ng mga protester ang isa sa tahanan o kumpanya ni Sara Diskaya. Binato ng mga putik at nagbandal, inilagay ang magnanakaw at ikulong. Nakiusap kasi si Mayor Vico Soto na huwag idaan sa dahas o violence ang nasabi nga pong sentimiento ng mga Pilipino. At rest assured na inaayos nila. Ayon kay Vico, maaaring may mga masaktan na gwardiya at mismo ang mga nagpoprotesta. Ito lamang ang kanyang iniisip. Say ni Liza Soberano, totally agree with this. There is a better way to get our sentiments across without creating collateral damage to the people who are just trying to make a living for their families. I understand that we are angry and frustrated, say ni Mayor Vico Soto. But let's not resort to violence or act that could potentially lead to violence or injuries. Don't feel hopeless. The momentum is on the right side now. Ilang mga netizen naman ang tila na misinterpret ang ibinahagi ni Liza Soberano nang akala ang tinutukoy na gusto lang namang mabuhay ng mga tao ay ang mga Diskaya. Anila, did we already forgot that stealing people's money is also violence? If the masses will not resort to this violence and only dependent on the justice systems, there's no justice. I fear make them accountable. I disagree. This is why these politicians and businessmen trample over Filipinos so easily, because they know that people are going to be shamed into silence. People are allowed to be angry if that means going to these businesses. While we agree to this, on the other hand, if you're hopeless and ikaw ang nasa laylayan, say ng isang netizen, na feeling mo the only solution is violence we cannot blame people to get angry and violent kasi paulit-ulit na lang. Well, narito naman ang naging say pa ng isang netizen. The comment saying na mali yung trying to make a living for their families. She is literally talking about the workers, the guards at mga rayelista na makakasama sa gulo, just like what Vico said. Puro mali na lang ang hahanapin nyo kay Hopi. Samantala, nagsalita na nga ang mag-asawang Sara at Curly Diskaya hinggil sa ginawang vandalism sa kanilang bahay. Say ng abogado, Attorney Cornelio Sarmaniego, the third lawyer of the Diskaya family, said they will file criminal charges against those behind the protest on Thursday morning, September 4, where mud was thrown and words such as magnanakaw and kurakot were spray painted on the fence and gate of their compound in Pasig City. Mula sa ABS-CBN News. Tila nagmukha namang tourist spot ang nasabing bahay ng Diskaya dahil ito nga ay ibinabahagi ng mga riders na nagdadaan doon at makikita ang mga nakabandal na magnanakaw sa pinto at pader ng mga Diskaya. Yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the right owners.